Dear Cat, just like most of the brands out there,
Restaurant proper.
Yes.
Okay, our first question, muna thank you muna sa mga napunta. Kasi alam ko maulit. Huwag na ba sa tayo na? Okay, let's start to the press proper. Our first question will come from Isa Mauricio of Manila Times. Ano ka siya?
Ang nahihirap.
Wala na.
Long press. Long press.
Like, wala nang mic.
Long press?
Long press.
Maraming beer.
Long press. Yeah.
Press here.
Kasi baka pumunta ako ko.
Don't.
No, actually, well, we started speaking with Jigs, no? And what a very interesting story. But I think, pwedeng, maybe we can just share it again with everybody else. Why you chose to concentrate, well, at least focus, no? Zoom in on a cat product as your parang, di ba, parang star product of United Baard Incorporated. So just
Sige. Why Dear Cat? So, first off, kanina I was asked kung ito ba yung unang product. So, hindi ito yung unang product. Actually, we launched our first brand in June of 2023. And since then, we've launched a number of brands. But we feel that Dear Cat is special in the sense that it has the capacity to become that special brand that the three of us have been waiting for since the time we started. What do I exactly mean? So if we compare Dear Cat with all the brands that we have, this is what we can consider to be our mainstream brand, or a brand that can have a mass appeal. And what's interesting is not just because we made it affordable, although that plays a very big role in it, but it's really more of, if you look at if you look at pet food, so you have primarily dog and then you have cat. If you look at dog food, there are so many brands that are priced affordably. So there's a lot. And while dog food or dog category probably is far bigger right now than cat, cat is not far behind. Ever since the pandemic, pumutok ang pet industry. So, and with that, awareness for cat care and the product, it's cat food, also exploded. So it's not far behind. But what's more important is the growth. So in terms of potential for growth, cat food is growing faster than dog food. But what does that mean for Dear Cat? In the past 2.5 years, we've been looking for this kind of product, and finally we have found it. What is this product exactly? So Dear Cat, just like most of the brands out there, is complete and has complete and balanced nutrition. It's a given. Although Dear Cat has more than what is minimum required, what's more important is that we were able to find a way to price this goodness of a cat food into a very affordable price point. Why is that important for us? And why does it make Dear Cat a special brand for us? Because if we can price it affordably, that means we can reach the masses. And in cat food, most cat food is more expensive than dog food, and it's very rare you find economy priced or affordable priced cat food. And now it's here. And what does it do for the mission that we said we will undertake when we started the company? If we can reach the masses, then we have volume. And when we have volume, we will have the resources in order to finally realize the mission that we set for ourselves 2.5 years ago, which is to push the human capacity to care for pets. We want Dear Cat to be that brand that allows, encourages more people to adopt stray cats, to care for cats, basically. So, this capacity to capture that market primarily makes it special, because with that it will be like the engine that allows us to do the mission that we set ourselves out when we started 2.5 years ago.
How do you convince Filipinos who, well, we've been feeding our stray cats, food, kung anong food, diba? Yeah, forever, and they have not diminished in population. And in fact, they've just, multiplied even more. How will you convince people that, yung cat nila will be better off with Dear Cat? Kasi ang tagal na nag-working scraps.
So na ulit?
Actually, maganda yung tanong, because that brings us to an area of pet care na baka nami-miss out. So we talk about how do we convince them to feed cats properly.
I guess what are the benefits? Siguro.
Yeah. Actually, compared to 20 years ago when we started in the pet food industry, the problem now is no longer feeding pets commercially prepared pet food. During that time, the problem was that very question that you asked, feeding table scraps instead of feeding something that has complete and balanced nutrition. Right now, actually, that's no longer the problem. The real problem now is having so many strays outside with no one to care, and no one to feed properly, rather than feeding properly the cats that we have at home. Because if you have cats at home, most probably you would do your best to feed them right. The thing that Dear Cat does is now it gives the pet owner an affordable option. Whereas before, you have to break the bank before you buy cat food. Now we made it affordable. That's what it does. And if you make that affordable in food, then that means other areas of cat care or pet care will be more manageable. Kasi syempre, hindi lang naman yung pagpapakain. There are certain things also that would require resources, right? Like vet care, like other things that you can provide your cat at home, which will make the welfare of the cat better. So actually, it's that more than convincing them to feed them properly.
Okay.
I have a question.
Ricky Wong from Manila Star.
Hi. Well, of course, you're still a business entity. You're able to, or you have managed to make the price accessible to the mass. But I wanted to know, how are you able to maintain the quality of the product? Because then again, if you're going to lower the price, there are things that you have to cut down, So how are you able to maintain the quality of the product?
Pero sir, magkano kayo SRP nyo? 95 pesos?
95
Kasi
per kilo.
whenever I buy cat food like yung Aussie or ano, 175 sila yun. Ang mga princess cat, cuties na nasa 120. So, ang laki ng pagkakaiba ng presyo niya.
Actually,
Try.
Ako sana sasagutin, pero
Wala ko po.
supply, ano yan eh. Nakita something to do with the suppliers.
Oo.
well, see, what Jules said is correct.
Dry fish.
The one that enables us to do this is our co-manufacturer. So, like what I said, we've been looking for this product for the past 2.5 years. And why 2.5 years? Because it's really difficult to look for that partner manufacturer that will enable you to produce that kind of quality with the price that we want. But the other thing also that we have to take into consideration is that yes, it's a business enterprise, but in order to do this, we also know that you need to do trade-offs. So, in terms of margins, to go direct to the point, we had to sacrifice a little of the profitability on our end so that we can price it affordably. But we do that with certain expectations of volume. So if hopefully by pricing it in a way that it will allow us to reach the masses, the volume will somewhat compensate for cutting the margins.
Is it safe to say that the other products out there are overpriced?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
That is off the record, but yeah.
No, it's a fair assumption. It's a fair assumption.
Okay,
It's a fair assumption.
thank you.
Okay. Our next question will come from Mary. Any questions? Okay. Mary of GMA Network.
Yeah, sinawa niyo yung may 19 cats.
Ay,
Jules.
Which came first? Yung nag-adapt sa'yo ng 19 cats?
pandemic time.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not.
Reading from the
Okay.
Para hindi ako
Ma-overextend.
Ako po nga. Kaya mo na siya. Pinitin ko na. Isa una. Yan. Yan. Ang sana. Wala pa rin.
Bale, the question is,
Oh, what came first?
Yan, isang yan. Nag-work.
What came first?
Long person.
Your
Long
19
person.
cats?
Or itong...
Wala na kayo ba? Ito ayaw.
actually,
What we do now?
Yan.
Okay na.
Ayan.
Ayan, okay na.
Huwag mo na yun.
Okay na yan. Okay, press.
to be honest, no, when we met when we met, we came from different company. Ako pharma, silang dalawa yung pet guy talaga. So hindi ako mahilig sa pet. So na-entice lang talaga ako because of them. And then that's how it started. No? Dati allergic din ako sa pusa eh. Pero ngayon,
Alam mo din siya.
19 cats. Grabe, sila na yung boss. Mga supalan sa bahay. Sira-sira. Napasok kami sa bahay. Sa kwarto na kagad. Bahala na ka dyan. Tapos ano lang, linis araw-araw, vacuum.
Yes,
So,
yes.
talaga, it started talaga, once you started taking care of them, eh talagang, makita ka dyan ng maawa ka na. Dati, yung mga nasasagasaan sa daan, pakialam ko dyan. Pero ngayon, iiyakan mo na pag nakita mo may nasagasaang aso na umiiyak na kami dalawa. Tama, di ba? To those, meron siguro, merong alagang aso, puso. Totoo yan. Pag balitaan namin sa TV na may maltreated, yung aso nga lang nanay ko, nawala nung isang araw si Cooper, di ba? Yun na lang yung kasama nila sa bahay. Kaya talagang iniiyakan. Buti naman, nakuha din kagad. So that's how it started, yung attachment with the pet. Ito pa ngayon, ito na yung engine namin to fulfill, to be connected with the owners, with the pet lovers out there. And then, yun nga, yung next step is turn their passion into a profit. You know, that's how, ganun ko pinoposition na ngayon. Yung passion natin lahat, gawin natin na mag-earn kayo. Kasi, ano yun na yan eh. So, dun yung ads ko sa FB na yan. Kung napapanood nyo. Ako yung pinakamukha ng FB reseller namin sa Facebook. Turn your passion into a profit. Be our dealers. Yan, benefits.
I was gonna ask kasi parang, ito bang pagiging cat lover mo nag-inspire for you to create a product na more affordable?
Yes, yeah.
Kasi di ba,
Exactly.
yun ang pricey.
Ang mahal, sobra. Si Tol na, ano, 170.
5.
70.
Alam mo, bumili ako dahil dyan, promise.
Nung kabataan namin, sinilang ng pusa, pinapakain namin, tsaka tira-tira. Hindi mo na mapapakain sila ng ganun ngayon. Hindi mo na kayang sigmurahin.
But personally, on your part, gano'ng kalaki yung pinabudget mo for your
Apat na bags.
Per month.
Per month.
20 kilos.
Hindi lang yan kasi partner niyan, yung cat litter.
Yeah,
Sila pwedeng
Yes.
partner yan. When you sell cat litter, you sell cat food. So, yun.
ano last na lang siguro, what did you like about cats?
Ano sila, malambing. Pero hindi sila katulad ng aso. Kasi yung bunso ko, aso. Yung panganay ko, pusa. Kaya yung pusa, ano lang eh, papapet lang. Pag dumikit na sa'yo, pet mo yan. Kaya mo i-pet. Mas malambing sila. Mas malambing sila compare sa aso.
They're all adopted, yung cats.
It's yun nga, in-adapt lang yung Siamese at Persian. Si Ichi. The cat is
model
Ichi.
yun.
Yeah, yung model. And we also have a brand na Ichi. Nandun siya eh, si Ichi. Cat litter namin si Ichi.
Oh.
Yan, si Ichi talaga siya.
Pero you have puspins, mga pusang...
Yeah, meron din. Kasi nag-mix na eh. Meron na kaming black cats na nasingitan eh. Nasingitan.
So, may pangalan sila lahat, yung
Yeah,
18.
sure. Sila Putot, mga kompleto yan. Si Ichi, si Hachi, dami, kompleto. Si
Talking
JR.
about mission, parang since yung may part of mission yung pino-foresee nyo, no? Parang meron ba kayong parang may partnership kayo with other cat groups or
Shelters or
Baka ma-preempt yung ipapasan mo ba yung TBC na?
Ay,
Ay, TVC ko later.
Mapapansin niyo dun sa huli, yung ang huli dun, your home.
sige,
Pero
Mamaya.
Ayan.
Okay, naiintindihan ko si...
We will.
Naiintindihan ko si Julius kasi pareho na kayo problema. Mahal ang budget ng mga ano.
Pero okay lang din na sabihin na namin.
Okay.
Our plan is to partner with the shelters.
Magpo-provide kayo.
Yeah.
Yung food.
We just launched Dear Cat kasi a month ago.
A month ago.
Yung plan to execute the mission, we're constructing it at the moment with the marketing team. But we have some good ideas naman. I think you cannot do away with the supporting the adoption of snails. Kasi yan talaga yung magiging ultimate expression of caring for them, di ba? Whereas before, they're out there, nobody really cares about them. If you can be a platform to encourage adoption of these strays, napakagandang aspiration to do, di ba? So sa ngayon, since we have just launched Dear Cat, we're in the process of constructing the execution so that the aspiration slowly becomes concrete. Siguro give us I think in about 6 months time, may
First
mga
quarter.
significant na kaming
First quarter.
magagawa. There's something to talk about again.
So, ang target date is next year.
Next year.
Next year daw,
Mm.
membership ng shelters.
That's one. Pero hindi lang yun eh, because working with the shelters is one, but yung simple communication to to regular people and letting them know the joy of having pets. I think there are other ways to do that. There are other creative ways that is also fun to do that we can come up with. And there are some things lined up. In fact, in about siguro before December, we will be having we'll run a contest for cat owners or those that aspire to have cats. Ang tawag Dear Cat Letter Writing Contest. So you tell us kung anong gusto mo sabihin sa minamahal mong pusa, o kaya doon sa pusa na gusto mong i-adapt kahit wala pa siya sa iyo. And then we'll find a way to support. In fact, minsan nag-usap kami ni Tonet. Pinag-usapan natin, how do we at this early, how do we bridge the one that wants to adapt to the cat that can be adopted? Kasi yung iba, lalabas. Tapos talagang mag-adapt, like our accounting manager, lalabas yun, mag-adapt. Diba? Asawa ko, lalabas, mag-adapt. Pero may mga ready may mga ready ipapa-adapt talaga eh. Yung mga shelter, the good thing now, alam niyo nung araw, 20 years ago, iisa lang yan. Ngayon, ang dami na. Diba? So, I think, yeah, they will be an integral part, pero I'm pretty sure we can do a lot of creative fun things with these stakeholders.
Okay, thank you. Okay, our next question will come from Bernie Frank. Okay.
Oh, can I just say before I ask the question, kasi sabi mo, you are looking for ways, di ba, to get it out there. Kasi ang daming celebrities ngayon na adopting cats, na alam mo, malaking influence if you get them or, para sila mismo i-promote yung pagpapakain ng pusa. My question is, you came out with your product a month ago. So, more or less, did you get the feel kung ano yung reception ng tao o ano yung mga current hurdles na experience nyo when it comes to your product in comparison to other cat food?
Okay, sa in terms of that, end user, and then we are not taking care of end users lang. We take care also our resellers, so wholesalers. So, one, loving their cats also, kumbaga, affordable na, at the same time quality pa. There are ingredients which in the other product costly, but on us kasama siya. So like for example, omega-6. So yan, so nagustuhan nila. In terms of power ako sa sales side, reseller love us. Not only because we are affordable and then the quality, it shows. They get the right profit also. Some of the products kasi, affordable siya. But in terms of selling it, it's not affordable because maliit ang kita nila. So, sabi nga ni Boss Jigs, sa ni Sir Jules, we sacrifice our margin to share it also.
So, pwede ko ba dagdagan? Interesting to add. To make this endeavor successful, importante kasi yung trade partners, the one who sell it. Kasi kami naman we just distribute. Pero hindi kami na e-commerce, pero yung malaki kasi talaga are the ones who sell it. So, it's important also that we take care of them, because if we take care of them, kasama natin sila na ipopromote yan. The other thing also na I think we have to mention with regards to your question is after a month, the interesting thing kasi is after a month we see the traction. In terms of the sales side, you see the traction if after 2 weeks you get a reorder.
Repeat orders.
So, ngayon isang buwan na, di ba? Tapos, nagano kami, we took a bold step to declare out in the world that we are here, this is what we want to do. Commitment na namin to kasi sinabi na namin sa inyo ano gagawin namin eh. Di ba? So we have to do it. Pero bakit malakas ang loob namin? Kasi we know na maganda yung feedback ng trade. And when the trade reorders, that means the pet owners like us. It's our job next to make them love us. But for sure, they like us.
Oh, it's good feedback, no?
Yeah.
When it comes to your product and coming out with your product, what was the biggest challenge? Kasi yun nga, nabanggit nila, it's also a business.
Yeah. Number one problem, yung orcs na binigay niya pagka.
Nag-shoot up. Nag-shoot up.
Yung forecast niya, kasi connected yung pag-shoot up ng sales eh. We just launched last week of September, the stocks arrived. Conservative yung forecast niya. Nahirapan ako.
Wow.
Kaya, yeah, that's the first hurdle na supplies.
Pero actually, ang bago yan, ang pinaka-hurdle talaga was really looking for manufacturing partner. Ang hirap kasi maghanap ng ano eh. Normally, kapag sa iba namin kunin yan, i-presyo namin ng ganun yan, abono pa kami. So it took us 2.5 years to look for the right partner.
How long?
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Worth to wait.
And I'm now, next week, I'll be in China again. So, be looking for another supplier.
So your manufacturer is from China.
Yeah.
How were you able to find the right manufacturer?
So when we found the Deercat manufacturing partner, we've had a few already manufacturing partners for our other brands.
Local or?
They're all in China at this point. So, but we've always been looking for that manufacturer that will enable us to do this. So, it's really a matter of engaging them and showing them the formulation that we want. And then they send the product and then we test it. If it does not pass, then we look for another one. If it passes, we talk about price. But price is is a tough thing to discuss. There's only sometimes there's a limit to where you can push it. So doon tumatagal hanggang makahanap ka ng tutugma dun sa kailangan nyo na kumbaga kakain sila, kakain din kami. Kakain yung pusa.
In addition to that, with regards to traction, our reseller order for just 1 to 2 bags trial. After 2 bags, less than a week, they ordered 5, then they ordered 20.
That's
Then
a
there are
fast-
some 100
That's right.
bags ordered.
We already sold 5 containers, right?
Less than a month.
Just the naman, 5 containers. But they're cut.
Mm.
So we're on the right track in that engine.
Yeah, the supply is important.
Supply. Mali po.
Yes. Nag-shoot up.
Pero that's a good thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a good story.
We're down to our 2 last questions.
It's okay.
Our next question will come from Jeff of Daily TV.
Cat lover too.
Cat lover Douglas.
Yun!
Oo, kapla po.
More on dogs ko lang po. Okay. Since for parents din kayong tatlo, kasi for all this time akala ko dogs yung dominant na pet. Pero nag-shift na ba sa cats? Kasi, kailan nangyari yung shift?
Actually, hindi pa naman. Dogs pa rin ang mas marami.
Population.
But in terms of growth, by growth, yung adoption rate, ang mas mataas is cat. In terms of yung consumption, if we're talking about the pet food industry, dogs pa rin, pero ang cat is growing faster than dogs.
Okay.
Everything is growing fast because the pandemic has been friendly to this industry. So everything is growing fast.
Okay.
Dog is also growing, but not as fast as cat.
Okay. As for parents po, bakit kailangan namin pakainin ng cat food yung mga alaga namin pusa kaysa sa mga table scraps? Ano yung nakukuha nila pag cat food yung kinakain nila? Yung para lang po maintindihan mo. Kasi for the longest time, tirang ulam,
Correct. So, ang commercially prepared pet food is formulated to have a complete and balanced nutrition. And that is why that is why ang industriya na ito ay highly regulated. That's why we have the Bureau of Animal Industry. So,
Certificate of Food Product Registration.
if a commercially prepared pet food is registered in the Bureau of Animal Industry, meaning meron ka certificate of feed product registration, certificate of feed product registration, that means yung produkto mo has complete and balanced nutrition. So that one is hard to achieve with table scraps. There are those that prepare fresh food.
Okay yun.
Actually maganda yun.
Maganda yun.
Um,
Maganda yun.
Ang kailangan lang doon is tinatrabaho siya. Tsaka naiintindihan mo kung ano yung mix na tama. Like you should know that protein is more important for cats, pati naman sa dogs, rather than carbohydrates and than fats. So you have to understand those things. But with commercially prepared pet food, even if you don't understand them, you're for sure you're giving them what they need.
Okay. Ilang beses po dapat pakainin yung pusa?
Actually, yung aso, isa lang talaga dapat.
Once a day?
Yeah.
Pero
Sa grams, sa grams.
Yes. Yung pusa, sa bahay ko kasi, parang
Buffet.
Oo. Buffet.
Parang-
Sa pagpusa, ideally lang. Once lang din. Once a day.
Once, twice. Kasi ano sila eh, gusto silang magutom, tapos konti-onti lang kain nila.
Hindi, pero the technical answer there is for a commercially prepared pet food, and depending on the pet size, there is a calorie requirement. So if 100 grams fits the calorie requirement of your pet, then that means 100 grams in a day. Whether you feed that twice, 50-50, or thrice, kung gusto mo gawin tao, okay na yun. Walang pinagkaiba. Pero totoo yung sinasabi ni Jules, isang beses lang na for a dog. Okay na yun. Importante, may tubig siya all throughout.
Okay. And last question, sir. Sa research niyo po, kasi di ba, loyal sa atin yung mga alaga natin. Yung bang mga consumers niyo, loyal din ba sila sa brand? O for this month, nasa inyo ako, next month, nasa brand kayo ako?
Napakaganda.
Oo,
Napakaganda. Just like any product, the one that buys the cheap brand compared to the one that buys expensive brand, the one that buys the cheap brand is most likely less loyal. The one that buys the more expensive brand will fiercely defend his or her choice of brand. That's the way that's just how consumers are. But for pets, while that is still true to a certain extent, medyo bawas siya. Because you don't want to simply ship because that is food na pwedeng makasira sa, there might be some complications. So for pets, that is still true by the way, pwede pa rin yun. Pero medyo they do it with caution.
Thank you.
Sir, question lang ako, no? Kasi may assumption kasi yung mata na parang mas mabuti pang dati nung kinakain ng mga pusa, yung mga pagkain na table food, hindi ganun karami yung may mga sakit na UTI, kidney problems sa mga pusa. Kasi maraming problema ngayon po sa puro Kitty Brothers. When they started,
Actually, naririnig rin namin.
ha?
Naririnig
Wala, may
rin
ganun.
namin. Valid.
Valid yan.
Totoo ba yun na mentas kumakain daw ng mga mga cat food, yung mga wet food na yan,
Yeah.
mas ma-prone sa kidney problems and UTI.
Correct.
Totoo ba yun?
Okay. With regards to that, totoo naman din talaga. But if your product is well-balanced na, like our product, less sodium kami, low sodium.
Mm-hmm.
So, yung salt kasi, yun yung pampalasa ng mga cat food and dog food. From us, we get our pampalasa or palatability to fats. Tapos less sodium siya. So kami, ang requirement namin is ano talaga, allowed na hindi ka magkaroon ng kidney failure.
Saka may interesting fact pala sa Dear Cat. Di ba we simply say it's complete and balanced nutrition. Kasi mas gusto namin pag-usapan yung yung brand vision niya kaysa sa technical specs ng produkto. But actually, there's a lot of value in this product priced at an affordable level. Because speaking of halimbawa yung pinag-usapan natin salt. Ang sodium ng Dear Cat is only 0.2%.
Okay.
So low sodium siya actually. Hindi natin masyado na pag-usapan yun. Pero ang naglo-low sodium, maabot ka ng 2 libra, higit ang 20 sack na yan. Or umabot pa 3,000. Diba? Tayo malayo tayo doon. Ang acceptable level is 2%.
Okay.
If you're lower than that, then low sodium.
Kasi I'm using may house yan, mahal yun. Sabi nila low sodium daw sila.
Meron din sila
When you visit a veterinarian, sabihin nila, bakit yan? Sabi sa atin naman. Nathan used to cover
Vet clinics.
Alam na nila kung anong pagkain ng pusa mo pag UTI. House yan. Sorry, sabi sa atin.
Record ka.
Well, can I add something lang din with regard to scrap at saka raw food? Yung okay. Yung scrap at saka raw kasi, in terms of preparation, with regards sa commercial, sa amin very safe kayo, well balanced eh. Yung scrap food o kaya raw na pinapakain mo, iluluto mo pa siya, time consuming. So tapos aside from that, kala natin nakatipid ka, but the thing is hindi. Kasi you have to prepare it, magagas ka, bibili ka ng mga fresh. So in terms of that, mas makakamura ka pa rin sa...
Kasi
So yun yung difference niya.
Di ba may cat? Kasi alam ko sa cat food is the one in the can.
Wet.
Wet food.
At tayo dry.
Yeah,
Right.
Ano mas maganda? I mean, what
Mix.
is
halo mo na lang.
halo na lang.
Mas mahal kasi pagka...
Mahalang wet. Kasi sa amin.
Tsaka pag nag-picky eater na kasi hinaluan lang siya ng wet. Kasi palatable yung wet sa tao. Pero Dear Cat is palatable na kasi.
Wala, meron ba yung sa labotas? Wala.
Kaya yung heavily.
Marami na. Meron na po. Marami na po.
Wala pa.
Saan sa aling Evelyn?
Kung sabi, meron ba?
Meron na po.
Meron na,
We can do
meron na.
this.
Ano wala pa?
Meron po.
Wala ba meron yan?
Wala.
Meron ba? Hindi sinasabi sa akin.
Darius. Pwede malapit-lapit.
Kay Darius po sa
Kay Darius po.
bahay.
Hindi sa amin sa labotas meron.
Wang use.
Meron. Hindi ako nabili ng mama.
Yung cat litter may possibility.
Magkano yung cat litter mo?
Sorry.
Magkano yung kapit ko?
Magkano?
Mura lang po.
Magkano?
Sa seller yun.
215 po. 230 to 250.
230?
Kaya kung mag-ulay yung mga...
Ano na po yan? 10 liters na po siya.
Kasi 250 siya eh.
Kaya po.
Kanitang ka na lang ang order.
220 possibility. 220 to 15 po.
Mas mura yun.
Kaya po.
250.
Shopping ko, wala sa adas.
Opo.
Your choice store.
Your choice store.
Nakamura.
May bundle.
We have our last question kay Lloyd of Lion.
Hello po. Just curious lang po. What is the one misconception about pet food that you wish more Filipino owners understood?
Misconception.
Misconception. sa about sa
Pet food po.
Mahal.
Mahal.
Baka mahal.
At least
This one.
That's one. Siguro, yun nga, sinabi ni ma'am, mahal. Kasi minsan hindi siya misconception, minsan totoo siya, pero minsan misconception din because they're actually affordable brands. And now, yung cat, meron na rin.
Yun lang. Thank you.
Okay.
Right.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for coming and thank you kay Sir Julius, Sir Douglas, and Sir Rizal. Meron ka TV.
Yung BBC ko pala ipapakita.
BBC, that's what.
Ayan, yun